It can be very frustrating getting an Excel document into Google Sheets. I'm going to show you a couple of things about it that can save you time and headache. So we have an Excel file in our Google Drive in a folder. I literally just clicked it in my computer, clicked and dragged, put it in here, dropped it in. And when I open it, it might take a few minutes or moments to open, and it might look like this. And the key here, and I want to point out, the key here is up at the top title, right next to the title, it says .xlsx. It says Excel format, and it shows you there that if you have some issues with your sheet and it doesn't have the Google Sheet stuff, this is your issue. You can click it and see it's Office formatted. And I think what you need to do, a lot of times you're going to not have capabilities to do certain things, and you want to do them to this. You're like, oh, it's a Google Sheet, I can do this Google Sheet. You watch some videos of mine on Better Sheets, on the bettersheets.co, or on YouTube, wherever you are. You're like, I want to do that thing, and I don't have that thing. All you have to do is go up to File and click Save as Google Sheets. Now it's going to create a new file. You can even go back to the folder and see there is a .xlsx file and a Google Sheets file. And now this Google Sheet is a Google Sheet. Your Excel file has become a Google Sheet. And now it has all of the possibilities. For example, you can see at the top, there is no extensions on the Google Sheet. There is an extensions tab, and I can open AppScript, and I can use add-ons. I can do AppSheet. I can create macros. All of this in the Google Sheets file, not in the Excel file. So this is a key difference, that if you have an Excel file and you're using it in a Google Sheet and you want to use it as a Google Sheet, make sure you save it as a Google Sheet. And now the Google Sheet, you can see, doesn't have the option to save as a Google Sheet, but your Excel file now has become a Google Sheet. Hopefully that helps you with a little bit of headaches, a little bit of frustrations, gets you through that, and you can open your Excel files as Google Sheets now, not just inside of Google Sheets. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.